Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little different. Thank you TryTreats for sponsoring this video. I'm just going to cut right to the chase. TryTreats is a monthly subscription program where you can try treats all around the world and have it delivered to your door monthly. You could get treats from Korea, Brazil, Germany, all around the world, and it doesn't even matter. And that is why I am so glad to partner up with TryTreats once more and give you guys an inside look of what you guys could be getting every month. If you're interested in getting your own subscription box of your own treats every month, use my code PINKMANGO, all caps, for 15% off your first box purchase. Thank you TryTreats for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into this video. I got my treats box in the mail today, and I don't know where exactly it's from until I open it. So I don't know which one I got. Last time I think I got, what did I get? I think I got Britain. What did I get last time? I think I went to, I don't know, where did I go last time? I think I went to London. I don't know, but we're gonna see where we're going today. I have to go get me some water to wash my palette. So I'm gonna go get me some water and we're gonna start. Okay, so I'm gonna open my box now. I got my water, period. And I got my box. Period. Okay, I'm gonna open it. So I got Italy, bitch. We hit Italy. Ooh, we hit Italy. Hold on. I need a fedora. Is that racist? We in Italy, bitch. Are you serious? Period. Who you know go to Italy in 5 minutes? Natalie Nunn could never. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh my god, I'm about to mess these up. Okay, so it gives you like a little card. Ooh. Hi, I don't know how to cook. They give you like a little recipe on how to cook something. No, these look so good. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry right now. I'm kind of hungry. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little hungry. This card right here lets me know everything that I have in my box. But they also did leave me a note saying that one of the snacks is not available. But that's okay. But I'm about to chow down. If you're new here to the channel, make sure you guys just stay and subscribe right now. Okay, so the first one is the Tuscan's Crisp Doce. I don't know how to say that. I'm not even gonna butcher it. I'm not even gonna try it. So I'm guessing that's the box. Yeah, it's definitely this. Okay. Sour cream and onion. Oh, this looks so good. This morning I had a sour cream and onion bagel. No, it was chive and onion. Same thing. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. This better be so good. This better be so good. I can't smell nothing yet, but okay. Comes in like a little baggie, obviously. Oh my god, it don't stink. It's like a really flat chip. It's like so flat. Okay, ready? Hold on. It's the one. It's just like Olive Garden in a box. Never been to Olive Garden? Oh my god. I'm about to up. I know this is the first one, but this might be the best one because this look good. I love that. That one gets a 10. That one definitely gets a 10. I'm about to finish that. Once I watch my show later, that's gonna be the snack. Okay, so the next one is the Cubetti. I'm done. It's a wafer cookie and it's by the same company and it's what it looks like. I usually like wafers, but this one is a hazelnut flavor. So we're gonna see it's made in Italy, obviously. Cream filled wafer cookies. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it comes with like 4 mini wafers. I thought it was gonna be like 2. Obviously America sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. For some reason, the first bite gave me Kit Kat a little bit. It don't taste like a Kit Kat, but it's good. This probably wouldn't be my go-to snack. It's not nasty. I give it like a 4. A 4. Thank you. I need some water. I gotta wash my palette. Okay, the next one is, what is it? A Torone? What is that? Hold on. What is that? Is that in here? Okay, I found it. So this is it. I thought this was a box of cards or something. What is this? Italian soft nougat made with smooth gold honey, sugar, egg whites with toasted almonds, freshly squeezed oranges, lemons, and vanilla beans. This don't sound right. This is gonna be nasty. It's already in this weird box. Oh my god. And it's soft. Oh, this look like bad cheese. What the hell? It looked like bad cheese. Look at that. It don't smell bad. Okay. It's like a marshmallow texture. Thank you. I'd give that a calm 1. I know. It's only getting a 1 because I like marshmallows and that reminds me of a marshmallow flavor. It don't taste like marshmallow, but it's like something old people will eat I'm not an old bitch. Thank you. Okay, the next one is a mint. It's a hard candy. It's obviously one of these because I have a bunch of these. First of all, TryTreats, why you put all these mints in this box? You try to say my breath stink? If you gonna say my breath stink, say it with your chest. It's just a little mint candy. So the mint candy obviously is longer. This looks like a tablet that's gonna give me some type of superpower. It's more minty, obviously, so it's hot.
Well, that's my life. It's
It's good. It's just a mint candy, but it's from Italy, so it gives it a little bit more. I like it. This is actually really good. It tastes a lot more like real, because you know everything in America is fake. Everything in America fake. So, oh my god, you know when you have something minty in your mouth, either like you brush your teeth, or you had gum in your mouth, or you had a mint. You try to drink water, and it's like a little spicy, tingly feeling. I just try to drink some nice cold water, and I have a mint in my mouth, and I don't get that. So I'm telling y'all, everything in America fake. This is the real deal. You don't get that tingly feeling. Something wrong. Okay, enough of the mint. Next one. Okay, the next one is a breadstick by Ital brand. So obviously it's these. These are probably gonna be really good. Obviously, it's like little breadsticks. These gonna be good. I think this is a really good box. I think I'm more connected with my roots, if that makes sense. Okay, so I think they're broken, but it's okay. So we have the breadstick, and we're just gonna try it. This is good. This one's really good. I like it. This one gets an 8. Like I said, the first one, nobody's topping the first snack. The next one is snack wafers. So it's another thing of wafers. Oh, this one's gonna be good. This is vanilla. Here's the packaging. Ain't nobody topping vanilla. Ain't nobody topping vanilla. That's what it is. Okay, obviously, and it has more in the pack. So like I said, in America, they gonna have like 2 of these in here. This is worth your money. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Obviously, this is gonna be good, but this one says milk vanilla, so obviously probably gonna be like a richer vanilla or something. But this is 2, so we'll try one. Oh, this is really good. It's like a rich. Oh my god, it's creamy. I don't know. It's like light. This is good. This is good. This one gets an 8 too. Okay, next one. I don't have that. Is something missing? I'm missing something in this box because... Okay, so it looks like I'm missing something in my box. It's either... Okay, I think I was missing something in my box and they gave me 2 of something else. So I don't have the candy fridge string, but I do have 2 of the chocolate Kono snacks, and that's this. It's a cone-shaped confection filled with chocolate cream for a fun stocking stuffer, shaped like an ice cream cone. Okay, does this tasty as ice cream but crunchier? Okay, so I think it's just a wafer cone filled with chocolate. I'm not really like a chocolate lover, but we'll see how this goes. And I guess I just take this top off right here, and this is what it looks like. What the hell? This is what it looks like in the middle. It smells factory like. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, it's like a little mini ice cream cone. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, it definitely smells a lot better without the packaging. Okay, we're gonna try it now. Okay, ready? Oh, I just bit into mad chocolate. This is like a richer M&M on a cone. Like those little candies that was in there, they're kind of like M&Ms with the chocolate, but this is like better than M&Ms. Damn, America sucks. I don't know. I don't like too much chocolate. But it's good. And the chocolate goes all the way to the bottom. This one gets a 7. Only because I don't like that much chocolate. But this wasn't bad. Like, this was good. If you like chocolate, this is for you. Okay, there is another thing, but I do not have this one in my box as well because it's no longer available. If you get a TryTreats box and they let you know that, hey, their snack is no longer available, they'll give you a note, such as this one. Okay, so the last one is going to be the fruit candy. So it's basically... It's like, it looked like the little grandma candies, but it's from Italy, so everything's better. And I got 2 different kinds of ones. I got, what is this one? Lemon. This one says bye fruitaline, and then this one says, what does this one say? I can't read this one, but this one says fruit something, but that's what it is. So we're gonna try both. I'm gonna try this one first because this one gives me like a cherry vibe, and I like cherry. Oh, it's clear. Okay, so it's another tablet that's gonna give me superpowers. When I wake up tomorrow, I'm probably gonna be able to try. Probably gonna start floating around in my room and shit. But this is it, and we're gonna try it. Oh, okay, it's good. When you bite in it, there's like there's something in the middle. Oh my god, this is definitely gonna get stuck in your teeth, but it's not bad. It's giving me old people vibes. I give this like a 5. Like if I wanted something quick to put in my mouth, like something sweet, it would be this. Okay, I'm gonna try the green one now. Oh wow, the green one is clear too. It's not really clear. It's like a beige. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. They kind of taste similar. I'm confused. They kind of taste similar, but they kind of don't. Can't really put my finger on it. It's still gonna get a 5. All right, that is it for the TryTreats box. That was all the lovely snacks. And like I said, nothing is topping the first one. The first one was I knew from the jump it was gonna be the best. Once again, thank you TryTreats for sending me this box of lovely treats. Can't wait for my next one. You gonna send me another one, right? Between this one and the last one, this one obviously has to be it's obviously going to be my favorite because I did enjoy more of the snacks than I did for the last one. And I feel like that's what brings I think that's what brings the enjoyment in eating these snacks. If you're new here to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you guys use the coupon code PINKMANGO, all caps, for 50% off your first box. Bye!